Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Express, stock number 29188T. This is black diamond crystal pearl coat in color. It is a regular cab. It is a 4x2, so rear wheel drive. It does have the Hemi 5.7 liter with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now this is the Express, but it has the Express package, which gives you the black fascia, blacked out grille. You've got 20-inch chromes on it, Goodyear tires. Now this is the Ram Classic. There's your badging. It does have the 8.4 touchscreen radio, Apple CarPlay, Android, Google, which means you can stream your own GPS on there, what have you. Now this is a dark slate interior, split bench. You do have a console in the middle. Cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors. You do have the Uconnect, the hands-free telephone, fog lamps, power windows, locks, mirrors. You have a backup camera, chrome-tipped exhaust. You do have the 4-pin and 7-pin wiring here, if you like to put a hitch on it. Super light tailgates now. It's just with one arm you drop it down, put it up. Modern technology. Again, 2019 Ram 1500. Regular cab, classic, 5.7 Hemi, 8-speed automatic transmission here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.